our topic tonight is your best friend. Do you have a best friend?
Honestly, if I say this, I don't have any best friends. My best friend
Okay.
is me
Okay. Okay.
because I
Great.
help myself, I serve myself, I give myself a very good company. And
Okay.
yeah, I have a best friend. It's my book. I used to read a lot of book about history,
Okay. Great.
about different kind of topics. It's just like the European culture and the
Sure.
Middle East culture and the history about our religions, Islam.
Great. That's good. That's great that books are a great companion, and
Right.
for people to have. I agree.
So,
That's great. But how about do you have any friends that you hang out with? I mean, maybe they're not good friends, or you can't call them best friends, but just friends.
yeah, I had some good friends when I was in college, but after having the job, I lost all of my friends because uh, for the immigrants to other country for earning their
Ah,
livings or
okay.
different their their working purpose, they just left our area, our country, or our
Sure.
states, and I really miss them, but not that
Uh-huh.
much
Okay.
because
Okay.
I keep myself busy with my everyday work. You know that I'm right now doing a job, so I don't have any extra time to miss them a lot. So
Sure, I understand.
that's
I
it.
understand. But if you wrap yourself in your job and your family, that's the most important thing. Of course, family is number one.
Yes, right. But I miss
Yeah,
my
family is
friends,
number.
old friends, and right now in this place, I have also some friends, but they're also busy like me. That they don't have enough time to hang out or going outside
Sure.
for making the coffee time in the coffee house or things like that. So
Okay.
most of
So
the
how about
time,
your colleagues?
your colleagues, they are so amazing.
Okay, so
Luckily,
you
I got
you
some amazing people.
okay,
Yeah,
good.
when I work, when I stay in my work, then
Mm-hmm.
they give me a good company, and
Good.
we're talking about our memories, what I did before, after getting job, and
That's
things
good.
like that.
That's good because at least maybe they're not really close best friends, but they're at least people you can talk to and
Yeah.
share your thoughts and ideas and stuff with.
Yes, right. You're right.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Fantastic. So, do you have any other questions that you want to ask me tonight?
Yeah, I have thousand of questions for you because you are so kind and you are a good teacher in a row. You are a good human being. I never said before, honestly. I am here in live stream just last 30 minutes. I say it
Oh,
earlier
okay.
that
So,
you given us very good explanation and very good advice to your audience, like me who is listening to
uh-huh.
you right now. So I appreciate
Great.
it really.
No, yeah, no, you're welcome. So, how long have you had Hello Talk?
In Hello Talk, I just installing this application 7 months ago.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Well, that's nice.
for my learning English purpose.
Sure, great. Yeah, it's a great app for you to help you with your English, and it's nice. You can attend live streams and chat with some native speakers or meet some new friends too.
Yeah, you know that I'm following you. Maybe the 3 months, things like that ago.
Okay, for 3 months.
Yeah, that's for 3 months. It's a little
Great.
bit.
That's great. That's great. That's great that you follow my account and you can attend live streams and also, practice your English with the materials I post on my moments.
So how about you? Do you have any best friends or who is your
Yeah, I
best friend
do.
or
I
things
have
like that?
I have a couple of best friends. I have one best friend in America that I, went to school with, that we were, schoolmates, and we've been friends for, many, many years. We're still friends today. And I have a couple of best friends here in China. Since I live in different countries, I have American friends and I have friends here in China. Now, my friends here in Beijing are actually, American. So, yeah, so I have two sets of best friends.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so I'm lucky. And I do have some good Chinese friends here too. Chinese people that I've known for a long time because I've been in China for a
Yeah, right.
long time, and I have some good Chinese friends as well.